Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's time to pressure wash this thing in the inside. It's time to pressure wash it, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Water building up. Time to vacuum this sucker out, guys. Time to vacuum some of this water out of here now. Alright, let's do that. Let's vacuum some of this water out of here. Time to vacuum it out. And get back started again. Don't want to get too much water. A lot of water got in here. That's enough. crap. But it's a lot cleaner. Let's not do too much of that. Don't mess nothing up. Try to get up here a little bit. Don't want to mess up my airbags. I think that's enough of that. That is enough of that. Yeah. Don't want to mess up those airbags. Don't want to mess up those airbags. Looks a whole lot better. Looks a whole lot better. Get some more shots. Hopefully this shot will pull up right here. Oh God. Okay guys, it's looking crazy. overboard a little bit. Too much water in here now. Look at all that water in here. Car look at been in a flood. Look at that. All that water. All that good old-fashioned water. Yeah. Okay. It's time to vacuum this out. Too much water at once. Muddying it back up with my boots. Muddying it back up with my boots, guys. Get all this water. Okay. My muddy footprints I got up here. And that is all she wrote, folks. We officially pressure washed the car. We officially pressure wash a car in the inside. So now that we got that all pressure washed down, now we can start putting this stuff back together in here now. Yeah. So gotta wait till it dry a little bit more. I can start drying some of the stuff up myself with some towels and things. And then we can put the carpet in. Yeah, the carpet. Then the heat shield over here, a noise shield, heat shield, noise shield, whatever. Then put the headliner in. But I did say I'm gonna sand this down. I'm still gonna do that because look at it. It looks terrible. So we still have to put sand it, and then put some there. Yeah, seam sealer, some of the seam sealer stuff. And once we put that in, then we'll paint it, prime it, then paint it. Then we'll put the carpet in, and then the noise shield, and then the headliner, and then the dash, and then the seats. Yeah, but I gotta get those seats worked on. I don't know. Should I get the seats worked on right in there? I can just take them to the... Yeah, I might just take them to the people to do. But yeah, we got that done. Looking a lot better. A lot cleaner, but it's still black and dirty. Still black and dirty. That was... It is. It's that crusty. Does my lens look foggy? I think that it's foggy. Let me get a piece. Is that better? I think so. But yeah, it's done. I don't think I wet up these too bad, too much, but it's solid wire in here anyway, so I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. Hell, I done bought a few water vehicles and they work just fine once you get them going, and we don't have to change the wire harness out, just everything else. Yeah guys, that's it. All right guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned because we got a lot more to do with this. A lot more. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you again when we're back in the yard. The yard. Yard 2, not 1. Peace. Peace. Yeah, peace.